Good afternoon, esteemed traders and investors. Today is Tuesday, November 18th. I present to your attention another market review for Forex. As always, I'm glad to be here with you today. So let's start the analysis, dear friends. So what do we have? Gold. Gold is falling for us. Let me remind you that last trading week produced a pretty decent pin bar, from which a short initiative is now developing to strengthen the US dollar. The first bounce already happened yesterday from the long break that took place at the beginning of last week, a strong bullish bar, a pullback, and again a corrective move. I think it's quite possible that we could generate another similar impulse from which you could sell further. That's the kind of setup we're looking at. So if you're a die-hard seller, which is entirely possible, you can play with this kind of structure: impulse, pullback, and a third wave. In my opinion, that's a perfectly feasible scenario. Below, on the rise, no one was stopped out here, so it's a good target for selling. Of course, the pullback might not happen, and the price could just fall into this zone, which would also be a valid area to look for buys, because even if you take this correction, literally about 12,000 points, that's not a small amount, my friends. You can find the full analysis at the link in the description, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.